challenge 4 base. Let's take it out. Send in 6 Lightbringers. Where you shoot is important. Just a slow process, but we'll clear it. Kill these 2. Okay, that's it. Shoot here. Clean this out. Kill this guy. This guy's moving. Kill the guys that are moving. Okay, he's going to start coming towards you, so we're just going to wait. When he comes towards us, we should be able to get these guys. Here he comes. You got too far away. Okay, that's all right. If you do it right, you get very little damage. If you do it wrong, well, if you do it right, you get no damage. If you do it wrong, just get a little bit. Where you shoot's important. These guys are next. The reason I back up is these guys will stop. Cut out these guys. Because if you don't, you forget, you have to come back and get them later. All right, now these guys are next. When you back up, they stop attacking. Let's take out the Overwatch. All right, we've got to get rid of these guys right here. Okay, no one's coming. Let's get, okay, let's get right here. We got to kill this guy. So we shoot him. Now we can shoot down here. It won't get far enough. Let's shoot there. All right, now we're going to go over here and clean out the other side. Shoot the Overwatch. Now clear out these guys. Get this guy. Take out the Overwatch. Take out these little tanks. Clean out this stuff here so you don't have to come back for it. Take out the rail. Let's get rid of a few tanks down here. We're going to go back that side. Clean out these guys. Uh-oh. We weren't paying attention. That's okay. We'll get probably about 30 seconds of damage. I'm going to clear out this backside. Come down here and shoot the, whatever you call it. Who knows? Kill the flak. Shoot the tanks. This will clear out these 4. Take out these 3. Shoot the middle one. Shoot the flak. This will clear the whole side. Kill the tank. Oh, you got a little shot in. Shoot this one, it'll clear the whole area. Shoot the support turret. And you're done. Let's see how much. We probably got very little. Normally I don't send them back, but I'll send them back. We'll kill a 5 next. Let's see how much time we have. Oh, 11 minutes. Unusual. But since we're repairing them one at a time, it is immediate repair. That's it. Let's head on to A5. See if we can get it in before the time runs out. Should be able to. How are we doing here? Lots of time.